Today's subject is about one of the big benefits of being on a raw vegan fruitarian diet. You're eating water-rich foods, which prevents dehydration. Dehydration, I know for many years I was dehydrated. I remember, getting dry mouth so bad when I used to, years ago, when I was playing competitive basketball. And dehydration, if you're on, a diet of cooked foods and a lot of fats, it's very hard to stay hydrated because your body, in order to digest the cooked foods and the fats, it's sucking the water from your body. And we are 70% water. And that's what we need to maintain. So dehydration, it causes so many problems. I looked it up, and here's just a few of the problems. And I'm sure there's even worse if you continue in a state of chronic dehydration. Headaches, unable to focus or concentrate, passing darker urine than usual, tiredness, fatigue, muscle weakness, and cramps. I used to get cramps at night so bad in my legs and feet. Oh man, horrible cramps. It's a sign of dehydration. Constipation, horrible thing. Dry, flaky skin. Altered kidney, heart, or digestive function. And a good friend of mine recently just had to deal with kidney stones. It's a lack of water. It's dehydration. So that's one of the beautiful things of eating more raw foods. Yes, it's okay to drink water, but raw foods are, the water that's in raw foods and fruits and vegetables is in a much better state because the water in your plant foods, your fruits and vegetables, has 5 to 6 molecules clustered together. The smaller the clusters, the easier for your body to break it down and assimilate it. Plus, the water in fruits and vegetables is loaded with vitamins, natural sugars, proteins, mineral salts, so it's just a win-win situation when you're eating a lot of raw fruits and vegetables. So the thing you have to remember too is that drinking water is 25 to 35 molecules in drinking water. Whereas fruits and vegetables, the water is only 5 or 6 molecules, which is up to 5 to 10 times easier to assimilate, for our bodies to assimilate. And it's slow releasing because a lot of that water is in the fiber and all that food. So it's giving you that constant hydration. Do I drink water? Yes, occasionally I do drink water. If I feel thirsty, I'll drink a little water. But when you're on a high fruit, raw, high vegetables, raw vegan fruitarian diet, you don't need a lot of water. Okay, so you don't have to drink a lot. And I'll be out here in the Florida sun in 85, 90 degrees. And, some of the other people I'm playing tennis with are, drinking water, and I don't even feel thirsty yet. So it definitely makes a difference. And I think I'm finally starting to get hydrated after all these years. Well, I've been doing pretty good for a while, but it's, the only downside is that I have to pee more at night, But I think that will get better in the future. So, you know, I'll be able to retain it longer and sleep longer. But, you know, that's a small price to pay for actually having enough water in your body so that you don't fall victim to these different things, you know. And, you know, kidney problems are no joke. You know, we have to really be careful that we're getting enough water. If your kidneys start to shut down, you're in serious trouble. So, that's my tip for today. Eat as much raw fruit and vegetables as you can, because it's going to hydrate you, but it's also giving you vitamins, minerals, natural sugars, proteins, everything loaded with nutrition. So please give this video a like, a thumbs up, and remember, fruit up, baby.